So now we're inside the vehicle, I'm going to show you how to use the control panel as well as the heating system. So firstly, you can see a yellow light up on the top left section. This just indicates that you're plugged into the electric. Now, if you think you've plugged the electric in from the outside and you can't see this, just check both sides of the connection. So first, press the on switch. It's not actually a button, you hover your finger over it and you'll hear it click on. Now, once this is turned on, all your lights inside the motorhome will then start to work. As you can see there, as well as some more lights on that side. Start from the top right. If you hold that down, this is for your battery level. Now, as you can see from this left side, it's gone all the way up to the top one. Keep it held down, and as you can see, it's on 100%. Now, the second one down, the one what's shaped like a bowl, is your water tank. So if you hold that down, it's currently empty, so it's flashing on 25%. And obviously, as you fill it up, this will then slowly go up to 100%. Now, when you are filling it up, you can press that, and then you can gauge how full the water tank is when filling up. Now, this one with the little outlet on the bottom is your wastewater tank. So if you hold that, as you can see, it's currently empty. But again, as you can imagine, once that starts filling up with your grey water, this will slowly go up to 100%. And when that is 100%, then you just need to empty it from the outside. Now, there will be a separate video to show you how to empty the wastewater tank. So on the left, you have your heating and water temperature gauge. So all the way on the right, you have your different settings. Now, I don't know if you can see it, just on the right, there's a bit of a black marker sticking out. As you can see, it's currently on the 0 or the 0. This means that all of it is turned off. Now, the two settings above, 40 and 60, this is for your water temperature. So obviously, if it's not hot enough on 40, switch it up to 60 and it will warm up your boiler water. Underneath, it is just a single flame. Now, this is just for your heating alone. Now, once it's on, this will slowly turn on and the numbers here will then go green. Now, once that's on there, you have different settings: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 obviously being the hottest and 1 being the coldest. Now, if you want the heating on as well as the water temperature to be hot, spin that down again to the very bottom one. As you can see, it says 60, so it'll start warming your water temperature up, and as well as the flame, select your temperature, what you want it to be set at inside the motorhome. Now, if you have turned on the water to be heated up, just ensure that the hot tap has been turned on and that the water is coming out like it should normally be. Now, there may be airlocks actually in the water system, so turn it on for a bit and just ensure that is coming out like normal. And another way to test that the heating is working, once after 5 minutes of it being turned on, put your hand over one of the vents and you'll feel warm air coming out of all the vents inside the motorhome.